Hello everyone. So let's learn power and exponents, chapter of class 7 and class 8. So what we can conclude, if any number has any power, then we can say a is the base, whereas m is the power. For an example, we can say 2 to the power 5. Here 2 is the base and 5 is the power. Similarly, if we have any number 1 upon 2 to the power 3, we can say 1 upon 2 is the base and 3 is the power. Now let's talk some laws of exponents. So what are the laws? First law is when same base has different power, we can conclude same base with addition on powers. For an example, we can say if 2 has a power of 3 multiplied by 2 as a power of 2, then we can say 2 as the base is same, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 2 to the power 5. Two numbers of same base having different power and is divided with each other, then we can say base will be same and powers will be subtracted. For an example, if we say 1 upon 2 to the base power 3 divided upon 1 upon 2 to the power 2, then we can conclude 1 upon 2 to the power 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 1. Law number 3. The third law states that if any base has a power 0, the answer will be 1. Any base has a power 0, the final answer will be 1. Example, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 298 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now rule number 4, law 4th. It states that if any base is having a power m and is again having a power n, then we can conclude same base is multiplied with the powers. For example, if we say 3 having power 2 is having another power of 5, then we can say 3 is 2 into 5, that is equal to 3 to the power 10.